What we're showing is
that's our signal from the signal generator.
the
calibrated signal generator.
Yeah, and the signal generator is showing that the signal is passing through the acoustic coupler over the telephone right now at 3 kilohertz. And the direct relation to the signal is, if I walk over here, then
this is the return.
The return signal path
on the oscilloscope
is showing that we actually get the signal back.
Right.
Now, the question is if we're sending out a 3 kilohertz signal, are we in fact jumping onto some provisioned, dedicated DSL line somewhere that would perhaps be boosting up our bandwidth from a 4 kilohertz line to maybe a DSL frequency somewhere that would allow us to actually get a higher frequency? Well, the easy test for that is to now boost our signal up from 3 kilohertz
to 5
kilohertz over here, and watch what happens to the line filters, who now take a higher frequency from 3, and we're going to 5 kilohertz. So we can audibly hear the increase in frequency. The pitch has actually gone up. We can see that the measurement has gone up from 3 to 5 kilohertz. The result should be, of course, that there is now 0 signal coming back, which means that our line has been provisioned with a maximum of 4 kilohertz of bandwidth, and any signal passing over 4 kilohertz of bandwidth is not going to come back, which means that our line has been provisioned for the PSTN from the central office and is not outside of the central office regulations, unlike a DSL connection which will be provisioned to the DSLAM. If we had been provisioned on a DSLAM and we had passed a 5 kilohertz line, we'd still have a signal coming back because there would be more bandwidth given to us. But on our lines and our test facilities, there's no signal, and this signal will come back.
Now let me switch it back to 3.
We will switch it back to the 3 kilohertz here. And immediately our signal comes back. So our test facility is showing us that we send a 3 kilohertz signal, we get a 3 kilohertz back. If we bump it up to 5, we get nothing back. That would be conclusive evidence to suggest that we are stuck with a 4 kilohertz maximum carrier throughput from the central office to our telephone line. We hope that answers any question about the amount of bandwidth.